it's Sammy Plays Roblox here, and welcome to part 2. Yeah, part 2. It exists. Yeah. Woof, what? I'm sad because the only thing I can say is woof. Woof. Eats and drinks. I should have said... Oops! I meant consumes. I should have said consumes. 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 Okay. Bye. Wait, where's our baby? We owned a baby. Yes, I get to go outside. Bathe. I was gonna hide outside when we were playing hide and seek. No. I was going to do this. Okay, the music got louder. Woof. I don't know. Okay. I don't know how they got in here. Oh, I think I know who's doing the music. It's them. I thought that was the game. It wasn't.
You promised the world and I fell for it. I put you first and you
This is boring. Yeah, it is.
And you let it burn, sing off key in my chorus, 'cause it wasn't yours. I saw the signs and I ignored it.
She's like, Max, where are you, Max?
Set fire to my purpose, and I let it burn. You got off in the hurting when it wasn't
Woof, I'm on the roof. Woof. Max, they don't know. Okay, they don't know where I am. Max. Woof. Oh, they're going away. I like the music. Where is the child that we owned? I am the master of hide and seek, and you were like, where are you, Max? Well, ha, get wrecked, scrub. Can you, like, bathe me now? Noob. Who are you? Okay, what's going on right now? Get out, please. Is someone in our house? Lol. Okay, I have to see who's in my house. No! I'm stuck outside! Whoa! Help! Ah! Bark! I'm stuck! Ah! Woof? Happiness noise. Hold on. Happiness noise. Question mark? Licks you. Why is she crying? Mama! I wish you could say licks in this game, but apparently, yeah, that is wrong, because, like, you know. But, yeah. Woof. Growls. Growls. Dot, dot, dot. Ree. That person's like, Ree. Grr. I keep accidentally knocking on the door. Huh? Where'd they go? I'm stuck in the freaking house. Help! Aww. They left without me. I have to stay at home all alone. Now I know how my dog feels when we leave him. Oh, they're back. Why is she crying all the time? Moody teens. Happiness. Happiness. Just literally happiness. Is Max a boy? Okay, bruh. Do you ever know any females named Max? Also, don't assume my gender, noob. Grr. Protect owner. Protect owner. He attack, but most importantly, he be a dog. I don't know. Abandoned baby. Big oof. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. After this. Yeah, bye.